Hello student, hope you are doing good and hope your online classes are going well. In today's class, we're going to learn about integer. You have already learned about integer from grade 6. You also learned in grade 7, so it will be very easy this time. So just to recall what we already know, an integer is a set of whole number and negative numbers including 0. And here is the example of integer. For now, we will mainly focus on multiplying integers. We will see multiplying integers using models like using counters and using number lines. Now we are going to see how to multiply integers using counters. So here are two questions, 3 times -4 and 2 times -3. When we multiply integers, it's same like multiplying numbers in normal form. Okay, we just need to take care of signs. So let me show you how to multiply integers using counters. So before that, I can show you counters. Many times you have used in lower classes. So shaded one, I can say it is negative counter, and unshaded one is positive counter. Okay, so 3 times -4 means 3 groups of -4. So multiplying in another term, it is repeated addition, right? So 3 groups of -4. So I have to make 3 groups. I can make the groups in circular form. Okay, circular form, and in each group there should be -4. So negative counter, I said it is shaded one. So in each group I can make 4 shaded counter. Okay, shaded. Okay, so how many counters, negative counters are there in total? So you just have to add. When you add, you will see there are 12. So your answer is -12. Okay, then second one, 2 times -3 means 2 groups of -3. So I can make 2 groups. So it is up to you how you want to make it. Now I'm making in triangular form 2 groups of -3. So in each group there should be 3 negative counters. So your answer, you add the counters. So in total there are 6 -6 counters. So this is your answer. So this is how you multiply integers using counters. Next, let's talk about commutative property. So when we have questions like -2 times 4 or -3 times 5, you can look at the first question. -2 times 4, -2 groups of 4. It does not make any sense, right? We cannot have negative groups. So what do? You just change the order. Okay, 4 times -2. Now it makes sense, 4 groups of -2. Now only we can make 4 groups. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of -2. So I told you the shaded one is negative counter. So in total, how many negative counters are there? In total, if you count it, you will say 8, -8. This is your answer. In second one, -3 times 5. We cannot have -3 groups. So what do? You just change the order. Okay. So it means 5 groups of -3. So you can have 5 groups. I can make groups in any form, any shape. Okay, so 3. In each group there should be negative 3. So if you count in total, you're going to have negative 15 counters. So this is using commutative property, just changing the order of the number. Now let's see multiplying using number line. If I have quotients like 3 groups of negative 2, that means I have to make 3 jumps of negative 2. I have to start from 0. Okay, negative 2, 1 jump. So again 1, 2 count. Okay, each time you have to have negative 2 here, 1, 2. So 3 jumps. When we make 3 jumps of negative 2, I'm going to get negative 6. So that is my answer, negative 6. So likewise, if you want to see another example, okay, let me try another example. If my question is okay, 2 groups of negative 2, again I have to make jumps starting from 0, negative 2, 1 jump, 1, 2, so each time jump 2, so negative 4. So when you count, you just do 1, 2, then 1 jump, that is 1 jump. Again from there again 1, 2, that is another jump, so 2 jumps. So you're going to get negative 4. This is how you would show your integers on number line, by multiplying integers using number line. And one thing, if your number is too big, like 5 times negative, if it is negative, let's say okay 5 jumps of negative 5, so in that case you don't have to draw number line in sequence way. You can also do skip counting, like negative 5, the 5, then each time skip 5 means 10, then 15, then 20, then negative 25, okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So you can do skip counting, that means 5 jumps of negative 5. So you can do 5, 1 jump, 5, 2, then 3, 4 and 5. So you're going to get negative 25. So this is how you can do within short time, okay, that is skipping the number or doing. Let's talk about associative property. It is also called distributive property. This is when we have 3 integers to be multiplied. So let me show you an example. If you have negative 2 times 3 times another negative number, okay, let's say negative 4. So when we have 3 integers to be multiplied, you can start from either way, first number or from last. So I'm going to start from here. Negative 2 times 3, positive negative is going to give negative, okay, 3 times 2 is 6, times negative 4. So negative is positive, 6, 4 is 24. So you got positive 24. And same quotient, and if you choose to multiply this 2 first, okay, negative 2 times positive negative is negative, 4 3 is 12, right? Negative is positive, 12 2 is 24. So either way you are going to get same product. So it's up to you how you choose to multiply, okay. So this is called associative property. Lastly, keep this in your mind, multiplying sign. Negative times negative is going to give you positive. Positive times positive is going to give you positive. Negative times positive is negative. Okay, this is very important for you, so remember it. And finally, I'm going to assign you some questions. If you face any problem, you can ask me. I'm always there to help you. Thank you and have a good time.